I just thought, okay, this is it. You have 19 years. Just let us enjoy this last 19 years, whatever's left of family members or friends to enjoy it. Just, okay. And we do see now this is the end of it.
Lake Mohave, a 67-mile section of the Colorado River formed by Davis Dam in 1951, runs through the Lake Mead National Recreation Area. Its clear, cold waters, chilled by the Hoover Dam, attract over 1 million visitors annually for fishing, boating, and quiet escapes. Formed on lands once traveled by steamboats and fished by the Mohave people, it's now a desert oasis. At its edge lies Cottonwood Cove, 14 miles east of Searchlight, Nevada, a developed hub with a marina, motel, beach, and cafe. But beneath the calm surface of this isolated desert town, a community is facing a battle. Cottonwood Cove offers many amenities. Boat launches access open waters or hidden spots. The marina rents houseboats for $450 a night, up to 10 guests, and stocks kayaks and paddleboards. The motel rooms overlook the lake, steps from a volleyball court. The cafe serves traditional diner food, and the store sells basic necessities with an additional little gift shop attached. The sandy beach is great for swimming, even if the water is cold. It's more developed than 6 Mile Cove and has been a long-time family spot, with trailer sites passed down for generations. For a lot of people, the heart of this place is Trailer Village. Since the 1970s, around 200 trailers have lined the shore as second homes, used up to 180 days a year. Families tow their boats in, park them right at their sites, and return to the same traditions year after year. Summer barbecues, holiday gatherings, kids learning to water ski. It's been a peaceful community for 5 decades. But in January of 2024, everything changed. The National Park Service approved a new 20-year lease with Lake Mead Mohave Adventures and will officially phase out Trailer Village by December 31st of 2043. No new trailer sales are allowed after 2028. Current owners can stay or sell until then, but once a sale happens, they have 30 days to clear out, or the trailer gets removed. After 2043, the land turns into short-term RV sites and general public space. The announcement hit hard. Rumors of removal have floated around since 1971, but this was the first time it felt final. Cottonwood Cove is the last NPS trailer village left. Willow Beach and Catherine Landing are already gone. Owners, many from California and Arizona, were furious about the news. Longtime owner Owen Evans said, "We've poured our lives into this. It's not just a spot. It's where my kids grew up, where my grandkids fish."
States, including state, local, and city, that governs parking a boat or a car in a trailer and reading it there. Recently, the Park Service has decided to remove the trailer village, which is near and dear to everyone's heart here. So it's a hot topic. So the Park Service has given us 20 years to get out and remove our trailers, whether it be selling it in the short term, have the next person deal with it, or we go the distance and remove it afterwards, or at the end of the 20 years.
Most families live hundreds of miles away, such as Phoenix, San Diego, or Los Angeles. Towing a 25-foot boat across the Mohave can cost $500 in gas for one trip, plus the wear on the truck and time away from work. It's like losing a second mortgage, one mother said during a February 2024 rally. Plots bought decades ago for a few $1,000s now sell for around $50,000. But selling means walking away from decades of memories and belongings. Then came a new rule. Owners who weren't on site would have to store their boats in a distant dry lot for fire safety. After 50 years without a single fire, the reasoning didn't make sense. They're solving a problem that doesn't exist by creating a bigger one, said Owners Association President Jim Gartner.
They're now telling us that we cannot store boats or vehicles here while we are not in residency. For somebody like myself that lives 420 miles away, it's not feasible physically or economically to drag a boat back and forth across the desert.
Forcing people to tow boats back and forth would raise costs by 30% and increase the risk of highway accidents. The pushback was huge. At packed meetings, older residents talked about growing up on this lake, and younger families pointed out how their long-term, low-impact lifestyle protected the cove, better than constant tourist turnover. By May 2024, the Park Service reversed the dry lot rule. Boats could stay at the sites. A small win, Gartner said, but it doesn't stop the countdown. And the countdown keeps going. As of December 2025, 18 years remain. Some owners are selling early, taking the money even though it hurts. Others are staying, hoping for an extension or a buyout. Costs keep rising as redevelopment ramps up. $10 million in upgrades, including EV chargers and 250 new boat slips. We are paying for our own goodbye, one owner joked bitterly. But the emotional toll is the real loss. These trailers aren't just investments for these people. Weddings have been held here. Families have grieved losses here. My husband built that deck before he passed, said widow Linda Torres. Now strangers will RV on the spot where we scattered his ashes. Traditions are already fading. Holiday potlucks, kids' fishing derbies, casual weekend visits. For families who live far away, the future feels uncertain. The Park Service argues that public land should serve everyone, not just long-term users. They say the changes will improve access, such as a new cafe and updated motel. They see a future of premium experiences after 2043. But residents question the urgency. Evans said, "Fire safety, show us the data." They want a more compassionate plan, fee breaks for retirees, special access days for kids who grew up here, and some kind of legacy acknowledgement.
Cottonwood Cove is a family place. It's a wonderful, best kept secret, we'll call it, but it's not a real secret. But anyway, it just came out so well. And for people here, they've been able to digest that someday they'll have to move. But in the meantime, everyone's going to enjoy their trailer sites, and it's great.
As 2025 comes to an end, Trailer Village is still standing, frustrated but hanging on. Some leave, some stay, everyone feels the weight of what's coming. Cottonwood Cove keeps moving with the seasons, unaware of the drama. Rent a houseboat, fish for trout, paddle the quiet coves. This place remains beautiful, but the tension is real. Preservation versus progress. Personal history versus public land. For the families of Trailer Village, leaving isn't just relocation. It's the end of a chapter. But the fight isn't over. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and I'll see you next time.